In the race to build the world's most powerful AI, a new challenger just entered the ring and it's causing serious waves. Alibaba has just dropped its Qwen 2.5 Max model, and it's claiming to outshine the tech giants, including DeepSeek V3, the AI that's taken Silicon Valley by storm. But why release such a groundbreaking model during the Lunar New Year, when most people are off work and celebrating? The timing alone raises eyebrows. Stick with me, because today we're breaking down the real impact of this AI showdown and what it means for the future of technology. Let's start with a quick overview of what's going on. Alibaba, the Chinese tech giant, recently unveiled a new version of its AI model called Qwen 2.5. And to say it's making waves would be an understatement. The company announced that the Qwen 2.5 Max model is now outperforming some of the most recognized AI models out there, including GPT-4, DeepSeek V3, and Meta's Llama 3.1-405B. This bold claim is shaking up the entire AI space, especially considering the rapid rise of DeepSeek and its dominance over the last few weeks. Now, you might be wondering, what makes this even more interesting? Well, the timing. Alibaba chose to release this model on the first day of the Lunar New Year, when most people are off work and spending time with their families. This isn't just coincidence, it's a strategic move to capture attention at a time when people are more likely to be catching up on tech news. Pretty clever, right? So, what's the deal with DeepSeek? If you've been following the AI scene, you probably know that DeepSeek's rise has been nothing short of meteoric. In just a few short weeks, it went from being a startup to a force to be reckoned with, shaking up Silicon Valley. On January 10th, DeepSeek released its AI assistant powered by the DeepSeek V3 model, and just 10 days later, it followed up with the launch of its R1 model. These releases have caused some serious disruption, especially with their low development and usage costs. In fact, investors have begun to question the massive spending plans of the big AI firms in the US, like OpenAI and Microsoft, because of how much cheaper DeepSeek's models are to run. And let's not forget how DeepSeek's success has put pressure on other companies, especially in China. After the release of DeepSeek's R1 model, competitors like ByteDance, the owner of TikTok, wasted no time in rolling out an update to its own AI model. ByteDance claimed that its updated model outperformed OpenAI's own O1 in AIME, which is a test that measures an AI model's ability to understand and respond to complex instructions. This is just one example of the ripple effect DeepSeek's rise has caused. It's clear that this little startup has set the stage for a serious AI arms race, and now, companies like Alibaba and ByteDance are all scrambling to keep up. Speaking of DeepSeek, let's take a moment to talk about its game-changing V2 model, which was released last May. This model made a huge impact because it was open source and incredibly cheap, only 1 yuan, or about 14 cents, for every 1 million tokens processed. This pricing strategy forced many companies to re-evaluate their own pricing, including Alibaba, who responded by cutting prices on a range of their AI models by up to a staggering 97%. Imagine that, AI at a fraction of the cost. No wonder DeepSeek gained so much attention. This price war has also sparked a lot of competition among China's largest tech companies. Baidu, for example, released China's very own version of ChatGPT in March 2023, while Tencent, the country's most valuable internet company, also rolled out its own AI initiatives. The AI race in China is in full swing, and DeepSeek is at the center of it all. But here's where it gets even more interesting. DeepSeek's founder, Liang Wenfeng, isn't just playing the price game. In an interview last July, he made it clear that the company isn't focused on the short-term battle of price cuts or competing with big tech giants. DeepSeek's ultimate goal is much bigger. They're aiming for AGI, or artificial general intelligence, which is essentially a level of AI that can outperform humans in almost every economically valuable task. This is the holy grail of AI development, and if they pull it off, it would change the game forever. Liang also took a shot at large Chinese tech companies, saying that their top-down structures and high operational costs might not be the right fit for the future of AI. Meanwhile, DeepSeek operates like a lean research lab, with young graduates and PhD students driving the innovation. In fact, Liang's comments echoed the belief that big tech companies have limitations when it comes to large foundational models like AGI, and that innovation thrives in more flexible, agile environments. This is a key part of DeepSeek's strategy. They're not weighed down by the bureaucracy of a massive company, which gives them an edge in the long run. Now, let's bring it all back to the Qwen 2.5 Max model that Alibaba just released. Alibaba's cloud unit claims that this new model is a game changer, surpassing the likes of GPT-4 and DeepSeek V3 in almost every area. If this claim holds true, it means that the competition between DeepSeek and Alibaba is about to get even more intense. The fact that Alibaba is going all in with its AI ambition should make other tech giants sit up and take notice. They're no longer just playing catch-up, they're trying to leap ahead. So, what does all of this mean for the future of AI? Well, it's clear that we're in the middle of an AI arms race, with companies like DeepSeek, Alibaba, ByteDance, and others vying for dominance. We're seeing rapid advancements in AI technology, and as these models get cheaper, faster, and more capable, we're going to see massive changes in everything from business to healthcare to entertainment. This isn't just a tech race, it's a race that could reshape the way we live and work. With that said, we're just scratching the surface of what's to come. Will DeepSeek continue to hold its ground against these heavyweights? Can Alibaba's Qwen 2.5 Max truly deliver on its promises? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the AI battle is far from over, and it's going to be one heck of a ride. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech updates.